Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So still you do not like and subscribe my channel, first go and like and subscribe my channel. And today we are going to discuss a very fantastic thing. Still you do not know about this, you leave the using your cell phone. Okay, if you don't know about this, so leave your using cell phone. So I will tell you the editing of the Android pictures. So you have to take the application from here, okay, from the video, which video you are seeing. So guys, you have to subscribe my channel and like. Still you don't like, it will not take your money. So you have to take Photo Studio. This is very amazing app. Still you do not like and subscribe, first go and like and subscribe my channel, and also install this application. Okay guys, so you have to install this, then you have to use this start art collage. So this is for a here is also the browse camera pic frame as well. You can see this. So this is very amazing to use. You can also take the pic frame as well. Such an amazing thing. Stickers, if you want to put anything you want to take, you can take by here. Reto borders, corners, whatever you want to do, you can do by here. This is very amazing. And if you want to write the text, you can also write the text. And as well as you can do the effects as well. Love. First I will show you this before and after. Okay, before and after effect, it will tell you. So let's wait for it. So guys, we have taken this picture. If you want to crop, so you can crop by here as well. And clip ratio, if you want to do. Here are the many options: cut, resize, transparent, transforms. Whatever you want to do, you can do by here. After clicking here, you have to save as a JPG. You can save PNG, JPG and size if you want to do, so you can save this. So this is a very amazing to use. And you can see the more effects are here, before and after. You can see the phase effect also. So this is a very amazing app to use. So if you want to do in this way, so you can do this. This is before effect and this is after effect. So we will take the picture. Simply we are taking this picture. Okay, you can do the resize as well. So you can see this. If you want to edit this, you can edit this. Crop. So this is very amazing to use, guys. You can use this. And also if you want to save, you can save this. So still you do not like and subscribe my channel, first go and like and subscribe and press the bell icon for getting any updates, and do the more effects as you want to do. You can see here before and after effect, you can do by here. So you can do this. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.